I'm seeing a floating hot dog
Where is that floating hot dog?
outside.
Oh, outside.
And by the front door.
I'm coming. I'm in front.
Come back, just now. Yeah.
Technique.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Attack of the small people. Attack of the small people.
No! No!
They got him.
No!
They have him.
No!
Hello.
Okay. I know this looks really shaky, but it's gonna work.
Oh no. No.
Who's breathing so heavily? Nabil?
Nah, not me. This time is not me.
No.
Some guy got beaten with a crowbar to death. Crowbar. Okay. No, he's not that bug.
I swear, I keep hearing heavy breathing. Who?
That's not me.
It's freaking me out, bro.
Okay. Nope.
That guy's a table. Oh my god.
Wait. How did he die yet? Don't watch this thing, watch the table.
Okay. I can't find anyone.
Yeah, you're never gonna find me.
I want to bet. I'm coming for you.
You're not even on the wall over there.
I left that room a long time. You should probably nuke the room just to make sure.
So you are here.
Oh, look, right next
So you are here, my friend.
to you. Someone.
Crap.
Just hurry up and die in the wheel. Nuke it!
Okay. Alright, that's not you.
Nuke it!
What do you mean nuke it? Where are you?
Go on, let's
To see me.
Nuke the whole room.
I'm not in a room.
Nuke it.
So I know you're not here. I'm not in the room, so I know you're not here.
Nuke it.
He just watching this thing now.
Bruh!
Who are?
We ready chicken, he ain't believe in us.
I'll make sure.
Oh, Justin.
I'll kill
10
you
out of
guys.
10. 10 out of 10.
I'll kill you guys for this. Where are you?
Justin, 10 out of 10, bro. 10 out of 10.
Watch you in your face and then shoot you.
Yeah, it just ran out of that room.
No, before he hit the top.
Yeah.
He was like, nah.
Maybe you give up on life, bro. Give up?
Come on. So they're upstairs then,
Justin,
Are they
you just
upstairs
saw
then?
that movement?
But I see it.
It's so
Yeah.
conspicuous.
It was so smooth.
Oh, Nabil, I saw him, right?
I don't like this. I'm gonna nuke the whole room.
Nuke it. You could do it, bro.
I just don't know where to nuke.
Oh my god.
Oh crap. I wasted 2 nuke, guys.
Oh, he died.
I give up.
Oh. Look at that ass, man. Look at that ass. Look at that ass. Shit.
What?
I'm stuck.
My screen black.
I'm stuck.
Oh,
I'm stuck. I'm stuck very bad.
Gmod crash. And you flam blowing, what the?
I'm still stuck!
Right.
Fuck it. I'm dead.
That's better.
Come on. Oh, you know, F12 is big. F12 is big.
No! I'm gonna die.
They first shooting me.
Yeah, nothing too concrete. I'm gonna find it. I know where the toilet is. If I can.
Okay, Justin. Okay, Justin. Yeah, just walk right out. Just walk right out.
Where are you?
You got an arrow. You have an arrow in your foot.
Yeah,
You
I
have
know.
an arrow in your foot.
I used to be a good adventurer until I took an arrow to the knee.
Yeah, just walk around the wheelbarrow in that trash. Yeah. No. No.
You was that one.
Nice try though. Nice try. You know why that didn't work? Because I was a bottle in the first episode of this thing, and I knew that bottles stand up straight when you're turned into them.
I could have lied down, but I don't know why. I'll find something else.
Nice try. Nice. I'm not that barrel. I'm not that piece of paper. Nope.
You know what?
Nope. Nice try.
If I use a pulse rifle,
I don't know.
so where are you?
I'm everywhere. Nope.
Really? That was so far. Wait, I see the paper moving now.
Nope.
No, I see the paper moving.
Nope.
Wait, damn.